Hello friends, in this video you will learn about adding one program. Our task is given a non-negative integer represented as an array of digits. Your task is to add 1 to the number. Increment the number by 1. The digits are stored such that the most significant digit is at the starting index of the array. See this example. If the array has 4, 5, 6 digits, the resultant array should be 4, 5, 7 has 4, 5, 6 plus 1 equal to 4, 5, 7. That is the resultant array stores 4, 5, 7. Input output, I will explain with example. Here is the example. Input, first one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the two lines. First line is the number of elements, nothing but number of digits. Second line is the details of those digits, like this. Same way, remaining test cases. See this output. By taking the first test case, 5678 plus 1 is 5679. Take the second test case, 999 plus 1 is 1000. This is the output. To solve this task, here is our code. First take the test case with t. Take the value of t. For all test cases using while loop with t minus minus. In the every test case we take the n, number of digits n, take that value. To store all the digits using array with the size n, take those digits with for loop. To solve this task using function adding 1, passing two parameters, one is address of array, another one is number of digits n. See, here is a function adding 1. In this, to solve this task using two variables, one is sum, another one is carry. Carry is 1 because we need to add 1 to the array. See this. Then we need to add the 1 to the last digits in the array. That's why for loop begins I equal to n minus 1 from the last position onwards to the beginning one, to beginning to 0. So see this. For loop, take this first test case to get the idea about this code. First test case and second test case to get the idea about this code. See this. Take this first one. Here I equal to n minus 1 is 3. 3 greater than or equal to 0. It is true. Then sum equal to a of I is 8. A of 3 is 8 plus carry is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. If condition sum is 8 greater than 9, it is false because 8 is less than 9. This else block execute. A of I equal to sum. Now a of 3 is 9 now. Carry is 0. When the carry is 0, just break because we need not to do any modification to the remaining part. See this, output is just this last digit is modified. Remaining part is not modified anymore. That's why just break. This for loop stops execution. Carry is 0. This block not execute. Then for loop execute from the 0 to n minus 1. Those printed 5, 6, 7, 8. Then comes to the second test case. In this, for loop begins I equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 is 2. 2 greater than or equal to 0 is true. Then see this, sum equal to a of I. A of 2 is 9. 9 plus carry value is 1. 10. Sum is 10. If condition 10 greater than 9, it is true. A of I equal to 10 percentile 10 is 0. A of I is 0. This last digit. Then carry equal to sum by 10. 10 by 10 is 1. Carry stores the 1. I decrements. I value is 1 now. Sum equal to A of 1 plus carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. If condition 10 greater than 9, it is true. Once again, A of I equal to 10 percentile 10 is 0. A of 1 is 0. This 0. Carry equal to 10 by 10 is 1. Carry stores the 1. I decrements. I value is 0 now. 0 greater than or equal to 0 is true. Then sum equal to A of 0 plus carry. 9 plus 1. Once again sum value 10. 10 greater than 9 is true. A of I equal to 10 percentile 10 is 0. See, this is the 0. Carry equal to 10 by 10 is 1. Carry stores the 1 now. I decrements. I value is minus 1. Minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 is false. For loop stops execution. Carry not equal to 0 because carry value is 1. Then cout prints carry value. That is this one. Then for loop begins to print the array elements. All array elements are zeros. Those are printed 0 0 0 like this. This is our code. It is right or not by checking with compile test. See, expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Yes, correct answer with the execution time 1.63. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.